As you can see, currently I'm using iOS keyboard or iPhone keyboard on my Android phone. Now I'll show you how you can easily get iOS keyboard on your Android phone. Just follow this easy and step-by-step guide. First of all, we have to install an app in our phone. So go to your Play Store and search for iOS style emoji, and you have to install this app in your Android phone. iOS emojis for Android. Once the app successfully installed, now go ahead and open the app, and if you're first time in this app, you have to enable 2 or 3 permissions to use this app. Once successfully enabled those permissions, now tap on theme, and under themes you will find iOS Lite keyboard and iOS Lite keyboard and iOS dark keyboard. You can select any of them. So these two are iOS main and default keyboards. So let's select these dark, and now select the light option and just click on applied, and the keyboard will be applied in your Android phone. Now on, you can easily use iPhone like keyboard in your Android phone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.